Hello students, before this we have seen the topic of dispersion of white light, and by the prism in that we have seen, and in rainbow by the droplets they are reacting as prism that we have seen in rainbow, in which we have seen the white light is dispersed into seven its constituent colors. It is called dispersion of light, and the band of seven color is called spectrum, right? After that topic, with the new topic we have that atmospheric refraction. In that, the first case is the question number 20 is what is atmospheric reaction and which phenomena results from it, that we have to understand. So atmospheric refraction is atmosphere consists of layers of different densities spread across it. You know that atmosphere is not uniform everywhere. Somewhere the air is more and more, and somewhere the air is less. So densities are different at different level. Thus, the densities of the atmosphere is not same everywhere, we can say. Now, the layer at lower altitude means at lower heights from the earth, means near the earth, has more density. The air is more and more near the earth, means at lower altitude, than that of the higher altitude. And as we go higher and higher, the density will be less. That means, due to this difference, so you can understand at the lower altitude the density is more, and at the higher altitude the density is rarer. And between the denser and rarer, the refraction occurs, you know very well, in the last lectures, light related lectures, the chapter. The refractive index of atmosphere continuously decrease as one moves from lower to higher. If you go from lower to higher, that means denser to rarer. If you are going denser to rarer, the refractive index will be decreased, right? Because at denser level, the refractive index is higher, and in rarer medium, the refractive index is lower. So when we go from lower to higher, the refractive index will decrease because of denser to rarer you are going. Moreover, the physical conditions of the refracting medium, atmosphere air keeps on changing. In atmosphere, the air also changing, it's moving as wind, and its density also continuously changing. So as a result, we feel that position of an object in the atmosphere is changing. So some of the objects position we are always seeing they are somewhat changing their position like that. This phenomenon is called atmospheric reaction. The change of position which is apparent to us is this phenomenon is called atmospheric refraction or refraction of light by Earth's atmosphere. And this is because of this is all actually the refraction, and this refraction occurs due to the Earth's atmosphere. So that way also you can say this is the refraction by the Earth atmosphere, or in short it is called, what it is called, atmospheric refraction. Phenomena such as twinkling of stars in these examples are in atmospheric refraction. Because of atmospheric refraction, twinkling of star phenomena, the stars are twinkling at night because of atmospheric refraction only. And one more example is early sunrise and delay sunset. Early sunrise and delay sunset, these are the two examples of atmospheric refraction. So this way we have seen in this what is atmospheric refraction and which phenomena results from it. Next, as we have seen in this the two examples, twinkling of star and delay sunset and early sunrise. So the next question is related to one of the example as twinkling of star. That reason we will understand. The topic of reason we know that it is due to atmospheric refraction, but in detail we will understand how stars twinkle. So write a note on twinkling of stars. The question is like that way. Or this question can also be asked as stars seem higher than they actually are. The position of the star wherever it is, but it looks higher than that. at high level it appears. Or the question can be asked as explain twinkling of stars in detail. That way also can the question be asked. So here the figure is given in which actual position of star is somewhat down, but virtual position of the star, that means the star which we see appears to us, is shown somewhat higher level, है ना? And here from the ground the observer is there, means we are, as if we see the observer, an observer at the lower altitude which is more dense area air having, and on higher level, higher altitude, less dense air that we have seen in atmosphere, it is there. So the observer is the denser air in denser level, and when we are seeing on the higher and higher level of which on the star side, it is less denser level, right? So here we will understand the things by theory. So density of atmosphere is not uniform everywhere, that we know already. There are different layers of atmosphere with different refractive indices at different level, at a higher and higher level. The refractive indices will be different and different. Or in case you can understand particularly that decreasing and decreasing, when we go higher and higher, the refractive index will be decreasing and decreasing. Atmospheric layer at lower altitude is colder and denser. At lower altitude it is colder and denser compared to layer at higher altitude. When the light travels from star at rarer medium towards the earth at denser medium, from where the light is coming? From the star, and star already at the higher level, higher altitude. So that light is coming from that high level to the lower altitude. Higher altitude to lower altitude means light is traveling from rarer to denser medium, coming towards us, coming towards observer. The light is traveling from rarer to denser, okay, medium. So as we have seen, when the light travels from rarer to denser, it bends towards the normal. So it will bend towards the normal. Thus, due to refraction towards the normal, the position of star appears higher from its actual. Actually, the star is not so higher altitude, but it looks higher because of refraction. This way. Now, reason for twinkling of stars now. Why stars looking twinkling? The physical conditions of refractive medium. The earth atmosphere is also not stationary. Physical conditions, like we study that at lower altitude the density is more. It's true that density is more, but it is not true that it will be same every time, because air is moving every time. So density differs in low level, but it differs. So its physical conditions are not uniform every time. It's keep on changing, it's not stationary. Hence, the position of stars seem to be changing continuously. And we see from the atmosphere to the star side. So because of this not stationary conditions of the earth atmosphere, the stars are not looking at the same position always. They are keep on changing to us, to observer. The result in the continuous change in the path of the rays